Hello friends, I just want to show off some 3D prints I've been working on. I'm rather fond of these ones. They are battery operated, rechargeable, USB lamps. And this one's a two-tone, red on top, white on the bottom with a white LED. And this one is a single tone, all white with color change, RGB LEDs. This one can go whatever color you want. Alexa, turn off the lights.
Okay.
So I got the music on to show you this one. Flashes to the beat. If the beat ever comes back. Both of them are made out of a plastic called PETG. It's very similar to what milk jugs are made out of. They're pretty hard plastic, pretty thick, heavy duty. I think you could drop them and kick them around, maybe even run them over with a bus. They should be fine. I'm planning on printing some more of these. If you guys would like one, let me know, and I'll make you a quote. I can make them as plain or as awesome as you want. So this one's not actually finished. It needs its battery bank installed. Right now I just have it plugged into a backup battery, but you're able to use the battery inside them to charge devices, or I mean, I guess you could plug one into the other. Like I said, USB rechargeable. I really like them. I feel like it'd be a really nice camping lamp, or if you go to festivals or something, take these with you. They take me, this one took about 3 days to print, and this one took about 5 days to print. I think this is the new design though. This one, even though they're identical looking, this one uses a little less plastic, but has an internal structure that's a little stronger. So I think this is the new design, and this one's the original. There's a very slight difference between the two. And this red one here is not for sale because I did have some problems. There was some layer separations. The white one came out really nice though.